How to fix graph display issues in Unreal Engine 5. And now we open it into the foliage and select the grass, and we enter painting. We change the intensity value 1000, and we select the paint. And now I paint a road here, and you can see in our scenes the grass in the distance disappear. And what should I do? Yes, I need to enter the grass and I enter the mesh and double click here. And we double click again, and we drop it down to find the opportunity max clip value and change this number. Okay, you can see our grass in the distance appear, and we do it again and find here and change the number. Yeah, save it. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.